Hi, my name is Marco Zzone, owner and operator of Zzone Homes. I've been doing custom home renovations for over 20 years now. I don't know what else to say. Hold on, I need a hand here.
I'm a
guys.
loser. Hi, I'm Sonia Gilmore. I'm an interior designer. I love bringing beauty to projects, making every space beautiful, no matter how big or small, and seeing the love in my clients' eyes when the whole vision's brought to life.
Should I have a prop?
No, what's a prop? What's with you and props?
I don't know. It's
He likes to look fancy.
Can you see me?
Yeah, there's a camera right here.
Oh.
Just walk, but oh my god. Here we go. Call him in.
Marco.
Oh God.
Paging Marco.
What's going on?
Marco to the boardroom.
What's going on?
Well, clearly,
What do you have here?
It's called a setup to discuss.
A setup to discuss. So this
Okay.
is where you tell me what to do.
Well, it's no different than any other day,
This is
is
true.
it?
At this stage, yeah.
Project North Shore,
Gotcha.
laundry room. I know
Okay.
it's not a big one,
Gotcha.
but we tried to give it as much impact as we could for a smaller space.
Gotcha.
These are the selections.
All right.
Cabinet style,
I got that, cabinet style.
okay, painted Saybrook Sage, which I think
Saybrook
is a
Sage.
really nice soft green.
Got it.
To pick on the green of the new picket tile that we got from MSI, which I think will look stunning and bring a little bit of
really like
warmth.
that. I really like that.
Yeah. We did pre-select a different counter.
Is that this one here?
It's that one.
I like this one better.
That's new. So I'm actually going to speak to Glenn and Heather about it. It's a nice, perfect balance of a greige, but then it's got the soft gold veining. I think will really bring out the warmth.
Yeah, I like that together. This looks
Yeah.
a little stark.
Well, that's what I figured. So let's just put it to the side.
Okay.
These doing a nice offset lay. Appears to look like a natural stone. We're going with a lot of the natural surfaces in here. All right.
Yeah, so it all goes nicely together. One of your nicer collaborations.
Well, they're all nice.
Kind of glad that you mentioned the offset lay. God. Why don't we go take a look at the space?
All right.
You're driving this time.
Well, we'll get there faster.
This is true.
Mitch is the man that does all of the work for real, and Marco just tells him what to do, and Sonia picks the pretty things. So really, I think it's between Sonia and Mitch.
This is true. This is true.